Hey, good morning, all of you. I hope you all are doing well. This is Poonam Avasthi, your SST teacher. So, in this lesson today, the Constitution and the need for laws, we are going to understand laws and dissent. So, we know that laws are made for the welfare and security of the people. But imagine a situation where laws might not be in the larger interest of the people. What should the people do then? Should they follow or express their disagreement? So, yes, they can show their disagreement. How? This is our today's topic. So, what is the meaning of dissent? When people show their disagreement or objection against the law, that is dissent. So, how do people can show their disagreement? So, people can hold meetings, they can do demonstrations, they can write about it, and by all this they can express their unwillingness about the law. If you look at the history, many such examples are there in which people denied laws for the larger good of the country. So here is such fine example from the history. Very famous, the Salt Satyagraha. So there British imposed tax on salt, according to which selling and manufacturing became a British monopoly. It means British had the right to sell and manufacture salt. Okay. Then what happened on 12th March 1930, Gandhiji from Sabarmati Ashram walked to Dandi. He reached on 6 April 1930, and in this way he protested against this law. So this was his way of showing the disagreement by this way of Dandi March. The next example which we are going to understand, it is anti-liquor movement in Andhra Pradesh. So more than 2000 women there, they demanded a complete ban on the sale of liquor. So more than 2000 women demanded a complete ban. Why? What was the reason? Because of liquor consumption, people were suffering from various health issues, as well as it leads to wastage of money also. Because of this movement started and they demanded a complete ban on the sale of liquor. So these are some ways by which people can show their disagreement, their dissent against any law. So any law which is not in the larger good of the country, we can show our dissent on the particular law. So here are two questions in the assignment. Number one is, what is female feticide? It is from the last video. Discuss the efforts made by the government to curb female feticide. And today's question is, with the help of an example, you have to explain that people can oppose unjust laws. So yes, people can oppose, and then you have to write with the help of example. I hope this video of mine is going to help you to understand this topic, laws and dissent. Thank you so much for watching, children. This assignment you will be getting in the PDF form in description box. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning.